EIFS offers continuous insulation value as well as an endless palette of textures and finishes, resembling everything from stucco and stone to metal and brick. An important lesson learned with EIFS is that if you build where it rains, some moisture will ingress past the insulation panels. Water-managed EIFS relies on a small drainage gap behind the continuous insulation to drain incidental moisture. The key to drainable EIFS is ensuring the drainage gap is both predictable and clear. This wall needs some help. Corrugated Lath Strip from MTI ensures open drainage at EIFS terminations. Simply adhere or fasten the corrugated lath drainage strip at terminations and apply the continuous insulation with standard adhesives or fasteners over top. Corrugated Lath Strip's 1/8 inch profile fits the drainage depth of standard EIFS adhesive patterns and prevents the panels from accidentally sealing off the drainage gap. Used with EIFS for over 25 years, corrugated lath strip prevents entrapped moisture. Stop the callbacks and keep building better. To keep walls dry, specify MTI. Continue to design and build better with MTI. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.